is that noise? My God, that's creepy. Can't see much out here, but I'm in my parking lot. Man, this is some really freaky noise. Never heard this before. Listen to that. What the hell? My cat's out here crouched under a car, just completely freaked out. What the hell? It's a street light. It's so dark you can't see anything out here. Panning across to the front of my apartment complex. It's a fourplex. Yeah, I'm in Tacoma. Who else hears this shit? Come on, people. Oh, now it's dying down. Oh, and it just stops. Check that out. And that was not some train or something, man. I've lived here for 11 years. Trains don't sound like that. Weird.